Hello dear friend, DaVinci Resolve 19.1 is out now. Let's go through and see what's new and some of exciting features have been added to DaVinci Resolve 19.1 update. This is a major update. There are some minor updates and there are some advanced updates. This is actually the first part of this update. In this update, I will cover all the main basic features which have been added, which are actually useful for everyday life for all content creators and video editors. If you are video editors and you are professional and beginners, for all this class will be a master class and very helpful. Listen till the end, don't skip any part of the video because all the points are important. In the first part, I am actually covering all the basic points which we actually need. In the second part, we will add some of more advanced features which have been added. Those are for advanced users, but we have to understand that. Once you understand the basic, in the second part we will cover that advanced, which are for our fusion tabs and fairy light tabs and color tabs, dear friend. Don't forget to subscribe the channels. Without wasting time, let's jump into the DaVinci Resolve desktop here. This is a very major update. For this update, you have to come here. You see, I am here in corner here, DaVinci Resolve. If you are in DaVinci Resolve, just click here and check for update. You see, this is actually our new update for DaVinci Resolve. You see, DaVinci Resolve 19.1, and we will download this update because in the last video, two video I have already downloaded and the process how to download. If you are beginner, you can see. Otherwise, in today's tutorial, we will step by step see what's these are major and minor updates. Some are major updates, some are very minor updates, but these updates are very important. If you haven't downloaded, please download these. Please download these updates. These updates are game changing because the most of updates we have already seen, but these updates are actually game changer, and this will change. This will improve the stability and performance of the DaVinci Resolve in your computer, and now the DaVinci Resolve will be more smooth. So let's jump into desktop to see. For this update, we have to click here. Just click here. For this update, we will just click here, download, and after downloading DaVinci Resolve, we will directly we just click here. Now see, DaVinci Resolve 19.1 is being updated here. Now we will soon start the system. Please, all steps are very important, dear friends. Stay in the video till the end, and all will be very interesting updates for you. Hello dear friend, we have just updated DaVinci Resolve 19.1. For this major update, we have to come here. You see here you see, and now we are in effect. In effect, we will come here. We have already a project. I want to show you, demonstrate you before you which type of this effect are. Actually, this school, you see this school sample. This is the major update. You see this text, rich text has been updated. I will come direct to our timeline here. From here, you can add. From here, you can make changes, and from here, you need sample. For example, our Resolve for you, our YouTube channel is Resolve for you. I will just type Resolve for you, and from here you can big size, smaller, bigger. You can update. It's like text plus effect. If you have gone through, you can change from here background. You see, if you want red background, from here you can change red background here. And after this, you can put this anywhere from position, bigger, smaller. From this global setting in transform, you can set if you want to position from left, right. You can put anywhere. This is actually the cool. I had been waiting such this fantastic update for a long time. These are minor, but it's a very big update, dear friend. There will be more interesting things I will show you in this video. Please listen till the end. Today's class is very important. This is the master class actually. We can change colors, anchoring point, tracking. You have several text here, and you see here from you can change, like you see various type of green, blue, RGB. You can adjust RGB point from here according to yourself. You can make customize this. You see how I am customizing this. Actually, this is the rich text. This is one of the major update. Now we come for other text which have been. This is actually, you have to come here in fusion titles. Here you see in the fusion titles, this has been added. You see, this is a fusion title, and here these are the major changes. Here you see these changes. We will one by one we will see this. These are the changes which here such these are the major changes which have been done, dear friend. You see this gradient background has been added. Same way you come here and you can drag to your timeline, like same setting you can add like this here. You see, I have added this to our channel here, and we will write here Resolve for you, and you can type in this way. You can add, and you can adjust from here size, bigger, smaller, and from here I've been just showing you. Uh, and you can push position anywhere. This is actually the good, and it makes your clip very impressive, very impressive, dear friend. Zoom and position, I want to put position here, and title here. You are all the settings are actually here. You see, this is advanced control. From here you can in the next class we will have very soon a special class, we will cover all these points here. And this is one of the major setting. And when we come here, we have seen this, this is a pop, this is a pop, this is gradient. And this is actually, this is the new, this is the headline here. You can, we can add this headline setting. This is actually the, in the same way you can add this text to your timeline, and you can make an instant setting to it. You see, this is the slime. I've been waiting for this. This is slime text. We'll just drag and add anywhere. You see, here I want to add, and you can same in the way, in the same way you can change for your the name, for example, Resolve tutorial. You see, in this way it will be very, and from here you can adjust size. From here you can change color. From here any color you can take. It's a fantastic, dear friend. No, DaVinci Resolve without plugin you can do a lots of video editing. It's a totally free DaVinci Resolve 19 editor studio and video. You see, this is speed, this is sample. You see, this is also the new I am seeing first times. In the same way there are some more interesting here. There are it's actually here you come here, this is sample like this you can, same way you can change from here. You see, same way in the here you can change. You see, you don't have to do yourself too much. Just you can customize and type here, and it will be ready for you for your effective video editing, dear friend. You see, so this is a superhero text has been added, and this is also new. You see here, and this zoom was already available, but these are the major update, dear friend. You see, this is the new. This is actually new. This is the first time it has been added, and we will go all through it. This was already available, but you see, this vertical. This is a new. It has been added here in the DaVinci Resolve 19.1 update here. You see volcano. This is volcano. We will just drag here to our timeline here, and we can put here anywhere. In the same way you can put. You see here you can change the or the parameters here. See, you see from here all settings you can change. These are the major update. I was waiting for this. It's a very, it's a for infusion. You, if you will make it, it will take a lots of time, but it's a very fast you can do now. You see metallic. These changes has been added. This metallic steel, bow, such type of reach. We are first time hearing such type of effect here, and you see testful. This is, you see tangerine, this effect, superhero, statement, speed. All these are new, dear friend. All these are new. Just you have to explore, download, and explore one by one. Use on your clip, then you will understand. Now we'll go for our next major update. Now we come for our the second major update. For second major update, in the same way, you have to come here. You see here effect. In effect we will come here, you see titles, video effect. We have to come here generator. Here you see generator, and in generator there are lots of beautiful, this is stinger generation. In the last update it was available, but now in fusion generator you see here actually lots of like treasures have been added for our video editing, dear friend. You see, this is the cloud effect, cartoon cloud effect. We can take for our background, and you can add your video over this cartoon effect, dear friend. You can add any video, and here you see from here you can change. For example, this is actually the global setting here. You can change the number of cloud from here. For example, I do five cloud, it will be five cloud, you see, automatically. And from here you can change the speed. You actually the cloud of speed, when it will play, it will, you see, no, it's a playing, it's a playing. This is the cloud is hovering here, you see. From here you can adjust, you see wet position. From here you can adjust wet position, like in this way, up and down you can do wet position. If you want this cloud here up, it will be up like this. Horizontal you can control from here. You have to just export. You see, from horizontal you can control here. You can, it's actually the major. You see hue, you can change the color from here. If you want a sky color like this way, maybe it's a default actually, but you can last little bit adjust according to yourself. And here you can start keyframing speed. You see keyframing you can add here. Here from you can start, it will be like rotating. You see, like this cloud will be rotating, like you see floating cloud, it will be floating cloud up and down. Here from here you can add separation point, it will separate, the cloud will be separate. One cloud are started separating in the sky. Such type of beautiful effect will come here, and you can take any video and add up here. For example, I want to add this video here. You see, add because you have to remove background. I have no time to remove background, but I am showing you how you can use in your clip here. I will just put this video here, top here, and talking head video, and it will start from here. You can add like this, dear friend. Just play. We will see the effect here. You see, in this way you can add the such type of beautiful effect on this. actually this is the major update, dear friend. It's a really major update. And we see, we take other clips here. You see this, it has already been added, but this is the cube. Actually this is the major update here, and we will take this and put here. You see this effect. You can change in the same way. You can change number of cube, you can add, and rotation angle you can set. It will rotate according. I will just showing you, the video will be very longer, dear friend. So actually this is we will have tutorial. We will show you there how we can do a lots of things using such type of effect. When you see here, this is the Dix wall. This is actually Dix wall effect. You can add to your it's according to your imagination and creativity how you can use this. This is, you see, hexagon glow. This is the effect. It's fantastic. And this is noise gradient. This is but this is the new radial. You see how radial we can check to our video here. From here you see this radial. Actually you see radial lines. These all terms are new for us. You see, oh, you can change in the same way: top, bottom, left, right position. You can do, it will be position will be left, it will be top, you see your position. But I like center, it will be in center, this position. You see, from here you can change all position. You play with this setting, you will understand. I start here from keyframing. You can add, you can even change your color. If you don't want that color, you take other color like this. We will take this color. And any color you can take from here. You can add blending from here. It will be blend, it will be more like adjustable. You can make adjustable from here. You can add blue effect to it, like in this way. RGB, you can control, it's in your hand how you want to apply this effect to your video. Actually this is the one of the major which I will use on in our tutorial now. And second major which I was waiting, actually this is like curtain. For my tutorial video I need such effect. For example, you see, I show you here. I take this clip here for our tutorial here. This is, you see, a talking head video. I use this video. No, you see, now our video is finished here. It is actually an introductory class, you see. And now I want to use, no, it's introductory class for our tutorial. And now I want to use this, for example, so I will come here and I will put here, for example, my video just finished, our introductory class here. And I will just put here, and it will open like curtain our main tutorial class. You see, it's like tutorial class. For example, I show you, you will understand now. I just play. You see, say from here, I just see, it will be a very beautiful effect. You see. This is actually the stage curtain. Like in this way, stage curtain, your class will open like. You see, our tutorial class will open. From here, I have an introductory. I'm asking for, please subscribe the channel if you like. From after here, you see, subscribe the channel if you, it's helpful for you, dear friend. Subscribe. You see, from here our class started. From here our tutorial starts. From here, you see. Hello dear friend, this is Rakesh here. Once again you are welcome to Resolve for you. In today's video we will discuss about two best free video editing softwares. You see, this for two video editing software we had class. From here you see, I talk, and here I will just start, and as I finish introductory class, intro, it will start like you see. Because it's a very powerful effect, so it's taking the resource. You see, in this way it will open like the curtain here. You see, curtain. Even in the curtain you can do a lots of setting. If you want to change the color of curtain, make this color. If you will take this color, if you take this green, it will be like green. It's okay like this color. And in this way you can change the color. And RGB, you know, it's a folding. You can put the folding position like this, like this. In this way it will be on default, okay, first time, because I will also explore. You can add like such type of effect. You see, randomize spotlight, you can randomize it. It's actually, you can add from blend here, position blend. You can add softness to your video in this way. Actually it's a very major update. The some way you see honeycomb effect. You can add gradient. There are cube array. Cosmic was already available in the last update, but this honeycomb paper effect, this is new. This is a square. You see, some way a square. This is actually, it's beautiful. You can in talking head video you can add such type of effect. For example, I come here and I will add here. You see here, and I will take my one clip from here. Just for a demo purpose, I take a clip and I put here. Here I will make it zoom very small. You see, in this way I can just position. I want to put this position here, left, right. And you can take, remove the background of your video, and you will use like this. You see, in this way you say, hey, subscribing. In this way, you can use this, dear friend, in your clip. Now we will take this square paper. We have, you see, disc wall. We have already. This is a hexagon glow. Use this on your clip, then you will understand what these changes are. These are actually, I thought these are minor changes, but these are major changes which have been made in this update, dear friend, 19.1. Third major update is there for the dear friend, outer stroke. You see, this is a video, audio. You have to come to effect here. You see here we have effect here, and we will come here effect. In effect, we will search here this outer stroke. You see here this is actually the third major update. We will, you see, we will drag this outer stroke to, for example, I want to put this to here on our this YouTube thumbnail. I will just drag this effect and put to our YouTube. You see, now we have a stroke, white stroke. In this way, in the same way, you can make this stroke red. In this way, you can increase the width of the stroke. Okay, I will click OK, and we can just width. You see, in this way, you can increase the width. In the same way, in the here we come here. You see, in the same way, you can add this outer stroke to here. Come here to our clips. In this clip, you see, now in this clip we have outer stroke here. You see, this is I have already used a flying effect to this clip, and now it has outer. You see, now it has outer effect. I am showing here. You see here this column. You see how. And in the same way, I can change the color of outer stick. Here I have added red. Here I want to change someone other colors. We will come to outer effect control. Here you see, this is the outer stroke. We will check this to something like this. You see, green effect I will add, and I want to increase the width like here. You see, now it will be flying effect plus this stroke you can use. This is actually open effects effect. In the same way, you can take this fusion effect. This is, you see, this is flying effect. So this is flying effect I used, and this is outer stroke. This is a new which I have added to this video. Now you see the effect after using this effect. In this way, you can add very professional beat. You can make a clip, your clip very professional looking, dear friend. You can just play this softness, long distance, add and softness you can add, and you will add all the settings. You will see, you will understand very well. This is actually the third major update. This is the major update is our for resolve effects. You see here, just type here open effects here, resolve effects. I will type a stylize. You see, actually, you see, categorize is here, all type of stabilize effect. You see this effect, drop shadow effect. You see here, edge mirrors effect, prism blur effect, stylize. This is, you see here, actually this is the effect it has added to here DaVinci Resolve 19 point here, and you can try this all one by one, and you will understand this. Actually, this is the major update here. Fourth major update is for our media folder. You see media pool here, and we if I want to drag any folder, for example, I have recorded this in OBS Studio. Here, any video you, if you want to just drag here, you see here, actually we have no resync. If you click here, right click here, you see automatically resync media file here. This is before we had already this available resync media file. You have to resync, but you had to resync there, but you can now automatically resync media file, if folder, if you want to music file, if you want to use often you want to use, and DaVinci Resolve will automatically resync, and this feature is very useful. Now I will explore this in some days. I will make more extensive tutorial about this major change. Hello dear friend, this is actually the our first part of this major change of DaVinci Resolve 19.1, and this first part I have all covered all the basic points which have been added. In the second part, we will cover some of advanced changes and updates which have been carried out in the DaVinci Resolve 19.1 update. These are for some updates are for our fusion, some are for, you see here, our color tabs, some update are for our fairy light tab here for this audio editing tabs. We will cover in the second part. Hello dear friend, we have just finished the first part of this major update, the DaVinci Resolve 19.1. In this update we cover this titles and generators, which will be very useful. In the next part, second part, we will cover more of advanced features which have been added, dear friend. For that, please subscribe the channels and share this channel to those friends who are actually in need of such type of tutorials, dear friend. This class will be very helpful to them. And write, comment, suggest which type of contents do you want, dear friend. We meet in the next class. Take care, bye.